Hello and welcome to Fort Myers High School's 2022 Choice Open House. Now this is a virtual open house. We know it's not ideal. We'd love for everybody to come into the school and see what we have to offer our young people. However, with the current situation and conditions of COVID and transmission, we are unable to do that. So this is going to be virtual. Now we have several different avenues that are live informational Zoom sessions that you can access this evening it's at 6 o'clock, 6:30, and then 7 o'clock. We begin with academics. And academics, we're going to cover any questions that you have for academics on our campus. We also have a new outboard marine academy that we're going to be talking about. Again, those are 3 sessions. The majority of these are 3 sessions. Athletics and clubs, we want you to get involved. We want you to get involved in athletics. We want you to get involved in clubs. We want you to get involved in different things on our campus. Research has shown that those students who are involved in things in high school tend to be more successful because they learn the value of working with teams and working with a community type atmosphere. Exceptional student education, ESE. If you have any questions about special needs students, this is the time and place to do it. 6 o'clock, 6:30, and 7 o'clock as well. International IB, or International Baccalaureate, that's our IB program. We're going to have Miss Postma, she's going to be there. She's our IB coordinator. She's going to be talking about our IB program, what that looks like. A huge program, what a great program to prepare our young people for college. And Leadership Academy, JROTC, that is at 6, 6:30, and 7 o'clock also. All of our freshmen who are coming in will be a part of the Leadership Academy if you're not in IB. Visual and Performing Arts. What great programs that we have. We do a phenomenal job with our visual and performing arts, and we want you to get involved in something. These are our informational sessions, and since you cannot be here for open house, we will also offer after school tours moving forward. If you'd like to have a tour of our campus and to see what we have to offer at a later date after school when there are no students on our campus, then please contact us at the school, 334-2167. You can also email us if you have any questions after our open house. You can come in for tours. We want to give you all the information so that you can make an informed decision about what school you would like to participate in or be in for the next 4 years. We want you to be a Greenie. We want you to be here. Fort Myers High School is rich in tradition. It's the oldest school in Lee County, and we want you to be here. We want you to be part of the Greenway family. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Emery Cavan, and I'm going to be your tour guide on this virtual tour through the Fort Myers High School campus. Come on in. Okay, goodbye, Mr. Superintendent. This is the main office, also known as the attendance office. You'll go here if you're late to school or have any other issues with attendance. It's also the home base for people like the principal, who can be located down this way, as well as the athletic director, who you can speak to if you're interested in any clubs or activities. Looks like we're in the commons area, which is a really good place to come and study or take a nice quiet break. It's also good to look around at the many shining trophies of Greenies past and present, or even go over to the gear shop and buy some Green Wave merch. Welcome to the Media Center. Here you have many books to choose from for studying or just for fun. We also have computers and printers for you to print out any assignments. And you can come here if you just need a quiet place to work. Welcome to the cafeteria. Here you have many options from what to eat to where to sit. We have multiple lanes back here to offer a great selection of fresh food items, and we have multiple sitting locations around campus that you can eat and talk with your friends. This is the grassy knoll. It's a great place to come if you want to enjoy the serenity of nature or the companionship of friends. It also works as a kind of outdoor hallway to get to the science building, where all of your science classes are going to be. Please, please, no. This is the bus ramp, and if you actually get here on time, you can use it to go home from school or get to school. But if you're like me, I guess you'll be stuck here. If you want to make a hole-in-one, this is the place to be. This is the back gym, which is one of 2 gyms here on campus, and you can come here to meet all of your athletic needs. This is the Edison Stadium and the Sam Sirianni Field. Here we have many different kinds of sports and activities, like track and field, taste of the greenies, and of course football. So if you want to come here, play on the football team, or watch a game, or even be like me and sit in the stands having no idea what's going on while eating a snow cone, this is the place for you. This is the G building. It's a separate building from the rest of the school, and it's where we keep things like JROTC, ASL, and the robotics class. We're on the 2nd floor now. This is where you'll come if you want to gaze out the window at the treetops, or just go to any of your classes that happen to be in the B or F hallways. This is Student Affairs. It's where several of our administrators' offices are located, so you can come here if you have any kind of conflict or need some kind of extra support.
Mr. Cabin, I see you now.
Wish me luck. Welcome to the auditorium. This is where we hold things like the annual school musical, Prism, and the male beauty pageant, Mr. Green Wave. This is the guidance office. It's your one-stop shop for everything academic. Whether it's helping you get into college, figure out your future plans, or even just sign up for classes, we've got a variety of staff members here to help you out. Well, that just about wraps up our tour. I hope you learned some useful information about your new home. My name's Emery Cavan, and from one greenie to another, good luck.
Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Postma. I'm the IB coordinator at Fort Myers High School. Here at Fort Myers High School, we offer students the opportunity to pursue the full IB diploma as well as take IB courses. We are Access for All. So now you're going to listen to some of our IB students as they discuss why they chose Fort Myers High IB program. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you next year.
Hi, I'm Jackie Davis.
I'm Jade LeBlue.
And I'm Josefina Yezi.
And we're all IB seniors here at Fort Myers High School, and we're going to go around the school and ask students what their why is.
My why is that the environment here is extremely healthy and all the students are all helping each other in order to grow.
Fort Myers High School is the best school in the area because of the students and the faculty members.
My why is that Fort Myers High School offers the IB program.
I like Fort Myers. I chose Fort Myers High School because it's the best school in Lee County.
I went here, my parents went here, my aunt and uncle went here, my brother went here, so it's definitely steeped in tradition. But the big why for me is because I want to help seniors secure a positive future for themselves. So you definitely want to come to Fort Myers High.
My why is that I love the IB program, and it's the first time I've actually been challenged academically.
To make a lot of friends, and I also get to play my instrument and have a musical approach to everything that I do while best serving my community.
My why of being at Fort Myers is because I am a former Greenie myself, and I want to help set up our Greenies for a successful future.
My why for being an IB is because the motivation that you get from your peers. You guys are all going through the same thing, facing challenges and overcoming and achieving.
My why to go to Fort Myers High is that they have good teachers, and I made lots of friends here.
One of the main reasons why you should come to Fort Myers High School is because of the athletics. I mean, we're consistently competitive. We're always playing for regional and district championships, hopefully state championships soon. Just make sure that you come to the most competitive school in Lee County. That way you can get your name out there, get those offers that you need so you can get to the next level.
My why is because I like the opportunities Fort Myers High School gives me for the future.
My why is the weightlifting team. It's a great experience to be part of. Every day after school and I get a little bit of exercise and I've gotten so much stronger.
My parents graduated from here. My son came through and graduated through the IB program, and I couldn't be more excited and proud to be a part of such an intellectual and caring faculty. This is the best high school in Lee County. We have the greatest high-level teachers, we have the greatest traditional teachers, we have a fantastic administration that supports all that we try to do, and this is the place for you. Go Greenies!
My why for IB is that you have more liberty with what classes you can take. I love the opportunities that the IB program gives me, and I love the friendships I made at this year's program.
I chose Fort Myers because of the great family, community, and wonderful students that I get to work with, and you should too.
My why is my teachers help me succeed.
My why for being in IB is the community that's created with all the people that are in IB. We're like a little family. We all have the same classes. It's very small, close, and tight-knit.
My why is because my dad went here and all the classes help prepare me for the future.
We are the oldest school in Lee County. We have the greatest tradition. Students who come to Fort Myers High School are proud to be students here. They're proud to graduate from here, and when you go out into the community and you wear the green and white, people are proud to know that you are a member of the greatest school in all of Lee County. Thank you for watching our 2022 virtual open house. We're getting ready to step into the live informational Zoom sessions, so please click on what you're interested in most. There will be 3 sessions. There are 6 different things that could be of interest, but please choose 3 of those. I also want to talk a little bit about the academics one. We are going into what is called Access for All, which is the IB program for all of our students. Now, we have the diploma program, which students have to go through that application process, but if you do not go through that application process to go into the IB program, the diploma program, then you'll go into what's called Access for All. All of our students will be going through and being a part of that rigor and developing those skills for college. So if you have any questions about that, that will be a part of the academics program. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Again, access these the informational Zoom sessions and ask any questions. And if you want to be a part of coming in, please let us know so you can come in and we'll give you a tour, and you can call the school at 334-2167 or email us, and we'll get you in here so that you can check things out. Thank you.